This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for June 20th, 2025. It's currently June 9th, 2025, 10:26 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $599.68 USD. And the shuffle video for the June 20th reading was created on May 25th, 2025 at 8:34 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So what we're covering in this video will be the overall trend direction and chart behavior for the day. We're going to give you the timing to the hour of the day's highest high, lowest low, and best trade opportunities. We're also going to give you the hour-by-hour sequence of chart events. It's important to understand, guys, that the timing is usually on point to the hour, but there will be cases where you need to give the timing plus or minus an hour or two of wiggle room, some readings. The sequence of chart events will remain accurate nonetheless. And it's for that reason that I don't recommend trading this information without access to our early access subscription that has the live Discord trade alerts and live trading view chart links. I'm going to show you how to get that stuff at the end of the video. So the overall trend in chart behavior for the day is a significant peak on a multi-day scale that we sell off from pretty notably. Behavior around the highest high, we push the upper end of a range higher into the high, and that's likely where we have this peak that we sell off from. Behavior around the lowest low, there's an important resistance level highlighted near the low that we failed to break through many times before and or failed to break through many times in the future. And a nullified piece card for the trade opportunity. It looks like there's a significant drop that we're going to want to trade around after meeting a key key resistance level. Before I get into the hour-by-hour sequence of chart events and the best trades that I see for the day, I just want to make sure you're aware the whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following through on the rule of karma. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of all profits should be donated forward to one of these charities. 5% of all profits should be donated back to the channel. Much love and appreciation. Leaving you with 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, makes you an angel investor of the channel. Universe is going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. All right, let's get into it, guys. So in the pre-market, we successfully find a support level. Usually that's a hard one. Depends on what direction we're going into, but I think probably we're declining over the holiday, and then we find a support level to the downside in the pre-market there. Around the open, there is a notable move higher followed by a full retracement of that move back down. It might even be like a move all the way to the top of a range. And there's price swings there in the first hour and a half. I would be looking for a high there in the first hour and a half, probably between roughly 10 and 11 o'clock, but it could be earlier. Either way, I'd want to open up a short position for a day trade there. There's a bit of a rally between roughly 11 and 12, and then 12 o'clock, we have this like breakout move. All right, Hermes, go down. We have this breakout move through key resistance, but it doesn't look like that breakout holds. We end up in a trough or a low between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock, and there's multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, followed by a pop to the upside between roughly 2 and 3. I'm advised to be cautious there. We drop back down in the last hour into a period of sideways rotation and a sharp drop that'll stand out in that period of sideways rotation, taking us into a trough just before the close. Mixed decline around the close, and then in the post-market, there may be a notable move or a fast sudden move higher. I don't think I would want to be short over the weekend there. I would close out of the short position if I can before that breakout. If I miss all that, then I would want to close out of the short position in the last hour. And that's SPY for the June 20th, 2025. Guys, the way that you get those game-changing services, if you're serious about trading SO meta-analysis, go to our website, Tarot for Traders. Hover over Order Now, click on Subscriptions. The Early Access subscription, subscribe here, $150 a month, $12.50 for the year. It gets you the earliest access to our public readings that you can get on. They come out on YouTube publicly. You get them earlier on early access through Discord. It also gets you the day trade, the live day trade Discord alerts and live trading view chart links, game-changing services. We draw entries and exits. In real time, we tell you when to open, when to close, what to buy, what to sell. All that, guys, we're up over 500% this year to date, over 500% account performance. And the majority of those trades are day trades. So for $150 a month, I mean, my God, guys, it's so cheap. Much love and appreciation to everybody that does that. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.